Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make like planet gravity. Now this won't work for players, this will only work for parts. So let's get started. So first of all you need a like a sphere to actually have gravity. Like actually have a planet I meant, not gravity. This is gonna be our planet. Now you gotta just make the gravity of the actual game 0 so that the sphere just floats. We can also make it just make it up. Yeah, we can make it go up. So now what you need to do is add an attachment. Now we're just gonna call this attachment. Just call it 0 if you want. Now we gotta duplicate this and then make it smaller. Now this will act like the moon for the planet. Now we gotta call this attachment 1. We're gonna add a line force to this. Then we gotta have reaction force, inverse square law, and apply a center mass on, because that makes it just more easier for it to simulate like real life gravity. Now you gotta like make it like attachment 0 and attachment 1, like so, like that basically. And then you have actual gravity. Kind of, just doesn't work that well. You gotta is this the actual setup? Oh wait. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh wait. Shoot. No. Now, maybe turn off layout center mass. Okay, just forget about that. We're actually gonna delete this and delete the attachment because I'm gonna use a completely different method. You gotta go into create line force. Oh wait, I should. Oh shoot. Okay, so we're gonna add an attachment like in the middle of this planet and attach it to the middle of this planet. Now we have a line force. Actually, the line force would be more realistic if we like place it like that, because then we'll actually attract a smaller object to a bigger one. So let's run this and see what happens. Now, as you can see, it's like actual gravity. Now, I already tried this with players and just, well, let's just say it was not good. Okay, so now it still works, probably. Yep, it still works. Now to make this orbit, you've got to open up your calculator for this. No, this would involve a bit of math. Yes, a bit of math. So now you're gonna multiply the mass, the assembly mass of the bigger part by a smaller part. So in my case, 2102.111 times 21.742 equals 45,704.09. That's what we're going to put in as the magnitude in here. So, 45,704.09. There we go. Now you will be able to make an orbit. You just gotta wait. So basically, this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. X, Y, Z. So you gotta the the linear velocity of this has to be like somewhere like 100, like on X, and then I think it will orbit. Oh nope, it will be less strong. That you gotta make the velocity a bit more than 100. Let's try that. Oh, still too fast. I'm just gonna anchor this. So now, oh, yep, it orbits. It orbits. Oh, yeah, it orbits. So that's how you make an orbiting planet in Roblox Studio. Basically, an orbiting moon. Oh shit. An orbiting moon in Roblox Studio. Yeah. Huh. Now you can just make this the sun and moon. So I'm just gonna actually no the Earth and moon or the sun and Earth. I'm gonna add some light to this. Gonna make it 5 times plus bright. 60. Gonna make the light 0. Okay. Now all I need to do is add a space background. Space skybox. Gotta find a good one. Perfect. Okay. Now we really have the Earth and Moon orbiting. The Earth and Sun. Sort of elliptical orbit. So I might actually just make this that Earth and Moon. It's gonna go over there. So, and, oh shoot, no, I don't want to play the game. And that's how you actually make the Earth and Moon actually orbit in Roblox Studio. But there's a solar eclipse. Yeah. I can also make this velocity a bit smaller. Basically like 100 if it's farther, I think. Oh shoot. Accidentally just deleted it. Oh no. I think I'll have to change the magnitude a bit. Like make it a bit lower for it to actually like orbit like that. Or I'll just make this 300. Yeah, I did it. Okay, I hope this tutorial helped. Have a good day, I guess. Bye.